Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a lush, vibrant rainforest, there was a young boy named Mowgli who lived among the animals. Mowgli, with his wild hair and bright eyes, had been raised by the friendly wolves of the jungle after being found as a baby. The rainforest was alive with the sounds of chirping birds, chattering monkeys, and the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. Every day, Mowgli would explore the forest, learning about its secrets and making friends with the various creatures who called it home. He was especially close to Bagheera, the wise Black Panther, and Baloo, the easygoing bear who loved to teach him the joys of life in the jungle. One sunny morning, Mowgli and Baloo decided to venture deeper into the rainforest than they ever had before. The path was uncharted, and Baloo was a bit nervous, but Mowgli's excitement was contagious. They packed a small bag with fruits and honey and set off, ready for an adventure. As they walked, the trees grew taller and the air warmer, filled with the scent of exotic flowers and the sound of distant waterfalls. They marveled at the vibrant colors of the birds and the playful antics of the monkeys. Suddenly, dark clouds rolled in, and the sky turned gray. A heavy rain began to fall, drenching the rainforest in a matter of minutes. Mowgli and Baloo quickly sought shelter under a large, leafy tree. They huddled together, listening to the pounding rain and watching the water cascade down the leaves. The storm seemed to last forever, and the once familiar forest now felt like a maze of towering, wet vegetation. When the rain finally stopped, the forest floor was covered in puddles, and the air was thick with humidity. Determined to continue their adventure, Mowgli and Baloo set out again, but the landscape had changed dramatically. The paths they knew were now covered in mud, and the trees had shifted, making it hard to recognize their surroundings. Mowgli, always confident, began to feel uncertain. He tried to use the landmarks he remembered, but everything looked different. Baloo, usually so carefree, was now worried. As they wandered through the unfamiliar terrain, they met new creatures of the rainforest. A chattering parrot named Rio offered to help them find their way. Rio was colorful and full of energy, and he swooped around them, giving directions and cheerful advice. Along the way, they encountered a wise old tortoise named Togo, who shared stories of the forest and gave them clues to find their way back. Togo reminded them that the jungle was like a living map. By listening to its rhythms, they could find their path. Mowgli and Baloo followed the guidance of their new friends, discovering hidden groves and sparkling streams they had never seen before. They learned about the forest's different layers, from the forest floor teeming with insects to the canopy high above where birds and monkeys lived. They marveled at the giant trees with roots that twisted and turned like ancient serpents and found hidden fruit that was sweet and refreshing. After a long day of exploration, Mowgli and Baloo grew tired and decided to set up camp. They built a small shelter from the large leaves and branches, and with Rio's help, they made a cozy fire.